Hello, my name is Siddhant Radhakrishnan. I am a student of Pius Academy and I have been studying here from 11th grade. I have got 96% overall with 97 in accountancy and 96 in economics. For me, I got recommended to Pius Academy through an alumni of my school, Khaitan Public School. His name was Manan Gupta and he was like the all-time commerce topper of our school until it was beaten this year. So I got recommended to him. He is also a student of the prestigious Shri Ram College of Commerce, and so he recommended me to come here to Pius Academy, and I have to say that this was one of the best recommendation that was ever made to me. I joined here, and first time when I met Sanjay sir, I automatically knew that it is going to be he's going to be a great teacher for me, and and over time the bond between me and Sanjay sir also grew, as well as Satinder sir, who has taught me economics. Sanjay sir, he always backs us, he always supports us, even though when like in my pre-boards when I did not get very good marks in accountancy, he still supported me, still gave me many sample papers, and eventually the marks that I have got in accountancy, a huge credit has to go to Sanjay sir for it. In economics too, Satinder sir also supported me, and every doubt that I had in 11th and 12th also, both in microeconomics, macroeconomics, as well as Indian economic development, he was the person who I first approached for any doubt. So I have to give a huge credit to both teachers. Both of them have been extremely supportive, and I have had my best experiences. The students too are quite amazing, and they always push me to be my best and give me competition for me to become the best version of myself. So overall, I will recommend Pius Academy to each and every junior, as well as any of relatives or friends who come to approach me for tuitions. This has been a phenomenal experience for me.